This is Chris Elliott with Remax Action Real Estate coming at you today with your June 2018 market update. Hope you guys have been well. Hope you're having an amazing summer. Want to start this market update as we do always, looking at some stats from the previous month. So we're looking at May stats, comparing that to both April of this year and then also May of last year. So for starters, the average percentage of list price to sales price, so basically what a home was listed for versus what it actually sold for, was 100.2.4%. So not only are homes selling for full price, but on average they're selling for just a tad bit above full price, which is always good if you're selling, not if you're buying. End of month inventory was actually up 300 homes from April. So there were approximately 300 more homes that were left on the market at the end of the month in May than there were in April. Month supply of inventory has creeped up just a little bit. It was 1.82 month supply of inventory, and that creeped up to 2.11 month supply of inventory in the month of May, but it was still down from 2.55 month supply of inventory in May of 2017. So, and honestly, anything under 3 months supply of inventory is still a red hot seller's market. So that was that. And the average sales price in the month of May was $299,369. So definitely good to see that average sales price creeping up. So what does this mean for you? If you're buying, it's kind of been the same old story, and it's going to continue to be the same old story probably for the rest of this year. Market's tough. Inventory is tight. Homes are going quickly. Homes are getting bid up. You really got to be quick. The only advice I can give you if you're out there shopping for a home is just realize you're going to have to be quick, and you're going to have to get creative with your offer. So not only are you going to have to offer premium price, but you may want to sit down with your agent, talk about escalation clauses, talking about waiving a certain amount of inspections. Just talk about things that you can do to make your offer more attractive to that potential seller. So that's my advice to buyers. For sellers, realize that we're talking about all these things. The market's hot. The market's great. We're in the summer. Homes are flying off the shelf. But always keep in mind the time of year that we're in. We are shooting this video. It is June 18th. Okay, so we've got approximately 2.5 more months of the selling season. And keep in mind, in the higher price points, that selling season can sometimes be even a little shorter because a lot of those buyers are very school-centric. They're basing their buying off of getting their kids into whatever schools that they want to get them into. And a lot of those buyers, if they haven't had success by, say, the end of July, they won't even try in August because they don't want to disrupt the school schedule. So realize that, if you've been on the market and you haven't had success, now's the time to go ahead and make the price adjustments. Now's the time to go ahead and make the condition improvements that you need to make that your agent may or may not be recommending to you. Now's the time to really position yourself to sell, because at the end of the day, we really don't have that much time left in the selling season before we're really into the fall market. And if you're somebody that is going to be selling, or maybe your home was on the market earlier this year, you didn't have success, you want to take a breather, but you plan on getting it back, now is the time to go ahead and do that. Don't delay too much more time. You definitely want to have your home up and running by the start of July, just so you can capture the last little 2 months of that summer market versus waiting too long, and now the kids are going back to school. Buyers are dropping out of the marketplace. People's focus and attention is more towards the fall and the school and all of that versus actually buying a home. So go ahead and take advantage of the hot market that we're in. So I hope that helps. I hope you guys are having an amazing summer, and we look forward to seeing you next month.